morning, everyone. My name is Rochelle. I am so excited to be here. I'm actually with WREN Inspires. I'm here with the fabulous leader, WREN. And oh my gosh, I am so excited. But beyond being excited about our event that's coming up, in October, on the 10th and 11th, we'll talk about that. But Deborah, I think it's really important that women know, and they need to know, and that I want to invite all women to this event. So let's talk about that quickly. Whether again, your experience, you got 35 years, you got 10 years, you got 5, whether you're just starting out.
Yeah. If you've got 5 minutes.
5 minutes, exactly.
The truth of the matter is that, real estate is an amazing vehicle. And we all want that vehicle for different reasons, whether you're an at-home mom and you want to afford, some great vacations for your family, or whether you're a single mom and you need to afford everything. And the truth of the matter is that we invite all women to come out and join us. It's an incredible event, not only for education, but for refreshing, for restarting. And I think this year we need that.
I totally agree. And I thank you for that. And I think the biggest thing that I've gotten out of WREN, and now that we're, again, the positive in COVID, is that now we're like truly a national organization from people, from women all over the United States, and coming together. You've done a fabulous job bringing this all together and working together and sharing deals and stuff. And so, ladies, come join us. Again, there's absolutely zero judgment. We love transparency. We're here to help. It's natural for women anyway, but we're here to help you. Whatever that looks like, whether you don't know which direction, whether you're going to buy your next million property, I don't know. We're here to help. So
join us October 10th and 11th, igniteyourfirewithin.com. Find out more information.
Love it. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.